Morning students. Today in History Civics, we will continue the chapter 2, the Egyptian civilization. Main characteristics of the Egyptian civilization. Town planning. Some Egyptian cities were planned, while some cities like Memphis and Thebes were organically, that means according to their convenience. There were a few broad parallel streets running north to south and cut at right angles by narrow streets. Buildings were divided into two parts. Two types of buildings: dwelling houses and public buildings. Dwelling houses means living houses. Houses were built around the crossing of two major roads. They were made of sun-baked bricks and had flat roofs. Rich people lived in 3-story buildings. They had gardens, pools, a courtyard and kitchen also. Then after that, public buildings, temple districts were better planned and surrounded by high walls. The temples were massive structures with huge gateways. That means gates were decorated. Architecture and engineering. Egyptians built pyramids, temples and sphinx. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Sphinx. What is a sphinx? A mythical creature with the body of a lion and a human head. Society was divided into 3 classes. The upper class, in that rich people were there. The middle class, in this class merchants, manufacturers and lower clergy people. And third is lower class. In this class peasants and slaves were included. That means society was divided into 3 classes. Okay, the upper class, middle class and the lower class. Family life. Families were close-knit groups. The father was the head of the family. Women were also respected. Food. Egyptians' foods were bread and beer. These were staple food. Staple means main food, bread and beer. They also ate vegetables, fruits, meat and dairy products, okay, milk related. And the dress, they dressed the simple dress. They dressed the simple but made of white linen. Okay. Occupation, the main occupation was agriculture. And writings, they developed hieroglyphic script. Yes, hieroglyphic script. It was different script. You can see the script in this book, but it is little bit difficult to understand for us. Okay, now religion. They worshipped many gods connected with nature. Ra, that is Ra, to the sun god. And after that, the Osiris was god of dead. And pharaohs were the head priests. Okay, head priest. They were also worshipped. And that Egyptians believed life after death. So they preserved the body of the dead. A dead body was embalmed with spices and wrapped in fine linen. Such a preserved body is known as a mummy. Okay, so today this much only, and next day we'll continue the chapter. Thank you, students.